Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is Sara.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a wonderful topic for you.
Yes, today we talk about how to make friends in English.
Making friends is one of the best things in life.
And sometimes you need to do it in English.
Maybe you moved to a new city or a new country.
Maybe you started a new job or a new school.
Or maybe you want to meet people online in English.
We will teach you simple phrases to make new friends.
Short sentences, easy words, step by step.
Are you ready? Let us begin.
Okay, first things first. How do you start?
You start by saying hello. It is that simple.
You can say, "Hi, my name is Jake. What is your name?"
Or, hello, I am Sara. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is a very important phrase.
You say it when you meet someone for the first time.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me now.
Hi, my name is Sara. What is your name?
Hello, I am Jake. Nice to meet you.
Great. One more time. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That was easy, right?
You can also say, hey, how are you doing today?
Hey is a friendly and casual way to say hello.
Let us repeat. Hey, how are you doing today?
Wonderful. You sound so natural already.
Now, after you say hello, what do you say next?
Good question. You need to start a conversation.
A conversation is when two people talk to each other.
You can start with a simple question or a comment.
For example, the weather is really nice today, right?
Or, this is a great place. Do you come here often?
Or, I like your bag. Where did you get it?
Giving a compliment is a great way to start talking.
A compliment is when you say something nice about someone.
Like, I like your shoes, or your jacket looks great.
People love compliments. It makes them feel happy.
Let us practice some conversation starters. Repeat after me.
The weather is really nice today, right?
I like your bag. Where did you get it?
This is a great place. Do you come here often?
Excellent. You are learning so fast today.
Asking questions is the key to making friends.
Yes, people love to talk about themselves.
So ask them questions. Show you are interested in them.
Here are some easy questions you can ask someone.
Where are you from? This is a classic question.
What do you do? This means, what is your job?
Do you live near here? A simple and friendly question.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Free time means time when you are not working.
You can also say, what are your hobbies?
Hobbies are things you enjoy doing, like sports or reading.
Let us practice these questions now. Repeat after me.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Do you live near here?
Great job. Those questions are perfect for meeting new people.
Now, what if someone asks you these questions?
You need to know how to answer them too.
If someone asks, where are you from? You can say,
I am from Turkey. Or, I am from Brazil.
Or, I'm from a small town near the capital.
If someone asks, what do you do? You can say,
I am a student, or I work in a shop.
or, I am looking for a job right now.
If someone asks, what are your hobbies? You can say,
I like reading books. Or, I enjoy watching movies.
or I love cooking and trying new recipes.
Let us practice the answers. Repeat after me, please.
I am from a small town near the capital.
I work in a shop.
I like reading books and watching movies.
Awesome! You gave great answers.
Now, here is a secret to making good friends.
Ooh, a secret. What is it, Jake?
Find things in common, things you both like.
That is so true. Common interests bring people together.
For example, if someone says, I love football.
And you love football too. You can say, me too.
Me too. These two small words are very powerful.
You can also say, same here. I love football too.
Or, really? I also love football. What team do you like?
Then you have something to talk about together.
Here are more examples. If someone says, I like hiking.
You can say, me too. Where do you usually go hiking?
Or if someone says, I enjoy cooking new dishes.
You say, same here. What is your favorite dish to cook?
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
Me too. I love that.
Same here. Where do you usually go?
Really? I also enjoy that. Tell me more.
Great. Now you can connect with people easily.
Okay, you started talking, but how do you keep going?
Good point. You don't want the conversation to stop.
Here are some phrases to keep the conversation alive.
You can say, "That sounds really interesting. Tell me more."
Or, "Oh, really? I didn't know that."
Or, "That is so cool. How did you start doing that?"
These phrases show you are listening and you care.
People like talking to someone who really listens.
You can also share something about yourself after listening.
Like, "That's interesting. For me, I usually prefer reading."
Or, "I understand. I had a similar experience before."
Let us practice these phrases. Repeat after me, please.
"That sounds really interesting. Tell me more."
"Oh, really? I didn't know that."
"That is so cool. How did you start doing that?"
Excellent. You are a great conversation partner now.
Now, here's the next important step.
If you enjoy talking to someone, suggest meeting again.
This is how you go from stranger to friend.
You can say, "It was great talking to you today."
Or, "I really enjoyed our conversation."
Then you can suggest, "Do you want to meet again sometime?"
Or, "We should get a coffee together sometime."
Or, "Can I have your phone number? I will text you."
Or, "Are you on social media? I will follow you."
These are all friendly and natural ways to stay in touch.
Stay in touch means to keep talking to someone.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now.
It was great talking to you today.
Do you want to meet again sometime?
We should get a coffee together sometime.
Can I have your phone number? I will text you.
Perfect. Now you can build real friendships in English.
Let us hear a full conversation now. Listen carefully.
I will be the new person. Jake, you start.
Okay, here we go. Imagine we are at a park.
Hey, the weather is really nice today, right?
Yes, it is beautiful. I love sunny days like this.
Me too. My name is Sarah. What is your name?
I am Jake. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Jake. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live about 10 minutes away. And you?
I just moved here last month. Everything is still new.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from originally?
I'm from a small city. What do you do here?
I work as a teacher. What about you?
I am a designer. I work from home most days.
That is cool. What do you do in your free time?
I like drawing, reading, and going for long walks.
I love walking too. Same here. I walk here every evening.
Really? Maybe I will see you here again sometime.
Definitely. Here, let me give you my phone number.
Great. I'll text you. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. See you around, Sarah.
Did you hear that? A full conversation from start to finish.
From hello to exchanging phone numbers. That is how you do it.
Now pause the video and try to repeat the conversation.
Let us also talk about some common mistakes.
Yes, good idea. These mistakes are easy to fix.
Mistake number 1, only talking about yourself.
Remember to ask questions. Listen to the other person too.
Mistake number 2, asking too many personal questions at once.
Start with simple topics. Do not ask about money or age.
Mistake number 3, looking at your phone while talking.
Put your phone away. Give the person your full attention.
Mistake number 4, being afraid to make grammar mistakes.
Nobody expects perfect English. Just be yourself and try.
People care about kindness more than perfect grammar.
That is so true. Do not be afraid to speak.
Your smile and your kindness are more important than words.
Wonderful advice, Jake. I totally agree with you.
Here are some extra tips for making friends in English.
Tip 1. Join a club or a group in your city.
Like a sports club, a book club, or a cooking class.
Tip 2. Use apps to find people who want to practice English.
There are many language exchange apps available now.
Tip 3. Be patient. Good friendships take time to build.
Do not feel bad if it takes a few weeks or months.
Tip 4. Be the one who says hello first.
Many people are shy. Your hello can make their day.
I love that tip. Be brave and say hello first.
Let us practice one more time. Repeat after me.
Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Me too. We should hang out sometime.
Hang out means to spend time together as friends.
That is a great casual phrase to remember.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Conversation, when two people talk to each other.
Compliment. Saying something nice about a person.
Hobbies, things you enjoy doing in your free time.
In common. Things that are the same for both people.
Stay in touch, to keep talking to someone regularly.
Hang out. To spend time together in a relaxed way.
Stranger, a person you do not know yet.
Shy. Feeling nervous or quiet around new people.
Patient, willing to wait without getting upset or angry.
These are all useful words for talking about friendships.
Try to use them this week when you speak English.
Now here is your practice challenge for today.
Imagine you are at a park and you see a friendly person.
Say hello. Introduce yourself. Ask them a question.
Try saying, "Hi, my name is..." Nice to meet you.
Then ask, where are you from?
Then ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
Then say, me too. We should hang out sometime.
Can you say all of that? Try it now out loud.
Pause the video if you need more time to practice.
Practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the better you get.
Let us learn a few more friendship phrases before we finish.
Yes, these phrases are great for building friendships.
You can say, you are really fun to talk to.
Or, "I'm glad we met. You're a great person."
Or, I always enjoy spending time with you.
These words make people feel special and appreciated.
You can also say, thank you for being my friend.
Or, "I'm lucky to have a friend like you."
These are simple but very meaningful sentences.
Let us practice them. Repeat after me, please.
You are really fun to talk to.
"I'm glad we met. You're a great person."
I always enjoy spending time with you.
"Thank you for being my friend."
Beautiful. Those words can make someone really happy.
Friendship is about small moments and kind words.
Okay, now let's finish with our final review.
Okay, everyone, let us do our final review now.
Today, we learned how to make friends in English.
We learned how to say hello and introduce yourself.
We learned how to start a conversation with someone new.
We learned to ask questions and give good answers.
We learned to find things in common with other people.
We learned how to keep a conversation going naturally.
We learned how to suggest meeting again and staying in touch.
And we practiced a full conversation from start to finish.
You did such an amazing job today. We're proud of you.
Remember, the best way to make friends is to be friendly.
Smile, ask questions, listen, and be yourself.
Try to practice these phrases every single day.
Even a small conversation can become a big friendship.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave us a comment. Tell us how you make friends. We love hearing your stories. They inspire us so much.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today.
You are amazing. Keep practicing and keep talking in English.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care and make some new friends. Bye. We believe in you. See you next time.